Hi everyone! So, mara ko og char. I have to attend the awarding for 10 years service. Nakabaro ko ani, and for the first time I have to leave Rema again to nanay. So, laban Japan. Let's see kung kasya. Kay grabe na taani ka large. Nice akong hair. So, nagpa-makeup ako sa akong kauban nga teacher katong nag-makeup sa among asa sayaw. They are amazed of my Pag nail cutter mo lang, kabalo na kami nail cutter. Di lagi mag-cellphone nagaw na ka? Wala pa. Oh, ayaw kong kuan na kay. Secret. So, ano siya. Try na to. So, this is outfit. Nagamit ko ani kay para pack. Diba? Dalagang Pilipina. Gwapo kong hair. Smooth siya. Alang ka simple dayon buy ko ani. Wala na ko guys. Wala na ko daan ako sandal, pero sige lang. Wala na ko basta ko ingon oy. Tigulang. Okay ra. Sa akong giingon. So na mi travel authority alauna mag-start din, alas 12 na karon. Wala na ko naka-video ganina sa pag-makeup. Let's be. Ay, di siya makaroon. Hindi na anak.
Ano?
Ano mo ko? Da. Ipa.
Ano?
Pagkamay. Sus me.
Ano?
Okay ra? Ikaw na lang ako sa amin, okay ra?
Huh?
Okay ra ba?
Oh. Wala, nilahi lagi ka. Di ba tambok ka?
Badloy. Tambok na iko?
Dili, lana yung
So ready? Ang naagmas ani day. Laki pulbos da iya. Guys, wala may mga tao mingaw. So, balik ko siya. Nata.
Di mo ba?
Di na mo dong. Kung man siya nakagaon dra dong lisod pud.
Kani nga mga sakyanan nang gituyok na murag nagi ni unod.
Unsay unod?
Mga unod nga naka formal.
Wala may nakagaon dra So backing.
Ang tanawang duha ka sakyanan, backing na.
Backing food sila sa kanila dapita.
Sa man ini padali ay.
Tama. Pwede. Kani pong isa murag. Napoy nakagaon.
Napoy nakagaon
Asa dapit ang kuan sir? Kanang sa teacher bitaw nga awarding?
Sports complex, ma'am. Straight lang, tapos open na lang, ma'am. Left to dayon. Yung covered court, dito sa una, sir, nga bago ron.
Diri pag-abot nimo sa
Straight.
pag-abot
Left.
Pag abot sa
Straight,
Kapitol,
paano na yun?
Wala na kabot, sir. Straight ta, tapos naipa left dito.
diri akan nilang jud straight.
Straight. Tapos
Ah.
makita mo na gate na padong dito sa Sports Complex.
Oval.
Ah, sige,
Thank
sige.
you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Daghan kay nang gigaon oy.
So nang backing ta nang nakagaon kay di mao ilang dapat sports.
dapat si Ma'am.
Dapat si Ma'am. Dapat sports complex lang ibutang at saka ka. So ato ta dito. Kato na kati ang ingon dong.
Ano siguro diha.
Mana basta nakapinta. Nakapinta guys.
February nga.
Ay, naka-practice pa kog motor diri sa una. Karon kang magbawal naman ato pasudlan-sudlan. Kani nga dalan kanina. Okay. So diri ko lutak ko. Sulod lagi gihapon sa kuan. Oh,
Lahi naman eh.
lahi to ganina akong inom. Ano yung mga nakawara-wara, mga gown na ito dahil pinalaban.
Asa man ni dapito tama.
Dito yata.
Kato siguro dito.
Oh, pero asa mas may baktas
Kani
sa
oh,
ingon.
kani nga gym ba?
Okay, diha na gindong kay mga nanulod naman sila. Nasod po dog diri. Saan yung diri?
Wa kay extra diha.
Extra. Ay. Saan na diri, sir? Ang 10. Mga gwapa ninyo, oy.
Hindi basta-basta 10 years nga nakakwanta ka pang party.
Ano, nabidyohan?
Ay, sorry. Oh! Please be ituan to butang yung music.
Please stay at the corner. Again, for 15 years, stay here. At the left, at the right, and then at the left, only for 10 years.
Wala, nagkita namin sa gawas.
Ay, go, may picture.
Video na, oy. Wait lang.
Turn and back to right and forward and back and arms in reversing position.
Last touch. Like the delicate wings of butterfly, her influence has fluttered across classrooms and corridors, igniting growth of our division. Milestones that reflect the hard work, collaboration, and commitment of every member, like you, of our educational committee. The Division of Agusan del Sur continues to prioritize the principle of access as a key pillar of its educational framework. We have achieved
of Agusan del Sur, particularly the Agusan del Sur Schools Division. To all of you, my felicitations, my heartfelt congratulations to all of you for having been given. Naibigay na ba? Hindi pa. These Dinatuan Awards in recognition to all your hard work for so many years in public service. As governor of this province, I cannot help but congratulate all of you for extending your unselfish services in trying to educate our children in the province of Agusan del Sur to becoming productive and useful citizens of this province and of this country. To all of you, our modern day heroes and molders of our youth, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong mga serbisyo nga bisan tuod kung daghan ng restrictions karon ng atong mga balahod sa pag-edukar o pagdisiplina sa atong mga kabatanunan, but you have remained steadfast in imparting your knowledge and honing their skills, preparing them for a better future para sa atong katilingban o sa atong nasod. So ipaabot na ko ang akong dako kayong pasyo. Our province has this promise of better people in the respective communities. I was told that Agusan del Sur Schools Division has the most number of passers and principals qualifying examinations. This only means ganina sa Schools Division of Agusan del Sur na asanin ang tinatagakahan bright na magmagtutulog din sa tibok kahit region. At the same time, I also would like to give you my hottest Christmas greetings for all of you. Pasko Mungod.
Kami 5,000, Char. Paano ba? Get naman.
Siguro ito namin na lang ng Jogar. Maybe I can leave some 50,000 with you. Ikaw yung balaw sa akin mga sabihin. Ang kaya sabihin?
Gamayra. 50,000.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I was supposed to be here this morning also, but the conspicuous na barbecue.
Saan mo na to?
I cannot blame anybody else but myself because I accepted this job, I volunteered for this job as your governor, and it is just not normal that all sectors of society will have to extend their invitation for me to be present, just like this one. But I just could not be in all the invitations that my office is receiving. Gani, this morning I was supposed to be here, but my schedule really did not permit me to be here because of so many schedules. Right now, I still have other schedules in the provincial capital. I had the regional editor of the Department of Interior and Local Government to help them learn the intricacies of parliamentary rules and procedures. And then, hindi na ko makabalibad sa iya. Kaya kapag na napusko na sila because of my very busy schedules. So karong wala na din ko kabalibad kaya mahimo na ikalima. So ongoing ang ilang training karon with me as their lecturer in parliamentary rules and procedures. Kung nakapay nag-aasil ko, basta ipagdito na lang. So I'm just trying to dividing my time
Ambot lang po,
after my stint here for my presence to all of you. I would like to ask for your indulgence that I could not stay here until the end of the activity. I have to show myself with the for also in need of my presence and my Christmas greetings to all of them and to all of you. So from the four corners of my heart, I would like to give you my happiest and merriest Christmas greeting.
Magkano ka ma'am? Wala man rin ko ka Paris. So inyo kung anuhan. Ako sa una. Sige, asa man ni butang. Asa ka ni?
Not yet.
Ay, not yet. Ready? Asa ibutang right, left?
I hope you have given your things already.
So after completing an exchange, you will proceed to an important part, which is the reaffirmation of service. So this reaffirmation serves as a renewed commitment to our goals, and this is to be led by our governor as well.
Uy, not yet pa man.
Dear teachers, please be ready with your pens.
Be ready pa.
And in so doing, I want you to repeat the words that I will be uttering.
Wala pa.
Proud voice. I, Mrs. Adjourning,
I love Navarro.
reaffirm my unwavering commitment
Reaffirm my unwavering commitment
and passion to serving the public with integrity,
and passion to serving the public.
transparency, and dedication.
Transparency and dedication.
I pledge to uphold
I pledge to uphold
the highest ethical standards,
the highest ethical standards,
prioritize the needs of my learners,
prioritize the needs of my learners,
the aspirations of their head,
the aspirations of the head,
and the goals of my community,
and the goals of my community,
and foster trust
and foster trust
through open communication
through open communication
and accountability.
and accountability.
Patuloy akong magsusumikap
Patuloy akong magsusumikap
tungo sa tataas o tungo sa mas matatag na mga mag-aaral,
tungo sa mas matatag na mag-aaral,
matatag na mga paaralan,
matatag na mga paaralan,
matatag na Department of Education,
matatag na Department of Education,
matatag na Agusan del Sur,
matatag na Agusan del Sur,
at matatag na Pilipinas.
at matatag na Pilipinas.
Congratulations!
Asa ni
We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed governor for his unwavering support and inspiring leadership that continues to uplift the education sector in the city. To honor his invaluable contribution,
So nice. I'll be man ka. Passenger.
thanks for his commitment and dedication.
The brief sensation, Mahagsaya appreciation is given to as a token of gratitude and appreciation of the collaborative and transformative partnership built for Melody over the years with Agusan del Sur. Your steadfast commitment to education, advocacy for student welfare, and your active engagement with educational initiatives has contributed to Matatag Bansang Makabata, Batang Makabalsa. During the 2024 Binatuan Awards Ceremony, a celebration of achievement, commitment, excellence, and service. Mahagsaya appreciation is given to Honorable Santiago Bigani Jr. for the
The recipe, Aba Mirasol G, Abastas Anna Chris J, Abaya Mary Grace T, Abelia Christine A, Ablake Albert A, Abrenica Baby, and Abudo Regine C. Congratulations to our first set of awardees. Let us now move forward to our second batch.
Starting off with Asilo Lucien T, Africa Lucien L, Agdahan Iris Joy B, IB Agraba, Aguilion Charan M, Alaba Rishimay Y, Alasa Karen E, Alba Christine O, Alcantara Joseph G, Canon Lynette T, Kapilitan Shanray D, Kapuyan Glory Joy A, Kapuyan Rosaline M, Carlos Evelyn G, and Casal Dexter S.
Agad.
Kuan ko yun. Ato ko sa bilibin. Kita ko sa akin.
Ang try bago nila nga ano? Ako nang gitanggal akong mga chichibureches akong ulo. Manani dito siya oh. Hindi ka na nag-breastfeed si Rema. Wala pa yung tawi, ilis na, nagkalago. Hi, Day. Okay na ba daw ka? Okay naman ka, no? Kusog na mo dula. Cellphone. So, magtanggal ko sa ako ang mga ana. Dayon, manglimpyo sa balay. Nag-charge ko, okay, lobat na. Nagdula sila, so maglimpyo hugaw kayong balay, guys, as in. Thank you, guys, sa inyong paglantaw. This is my first time kay kanang mag-ano di ay sa DepEd na aday sila awarding sa imong service sa loyalty award. Ano naman to ako ang kuan kahit na basta 10 years, 15 years, 20, so on and so forth. So mag-add na siya 5 years, 5 years. 10 years dayon plus 5 na dayon. And pag nasa list imong pangalan, so ang amo certificate lang among na-receive, pero the rest katong mga higher na sila yung mga plaque. So mo na siya. So mo ra pud na ang maano nimo dahil na loyalty award nga 10,000 man ata. Sana all 10,000 sa amo, I don't know sa uban. So, maura to, guys. Thank you so much for watching sa amo ang video. Bye-bye, everyone. God bless. Agoy! Hawa mo kayo magdudok, may hawa, hawa, hawa.
Hindi ka tan?
Tutay daw. Tutay.